Is your food making you fat or burn more fat? If you've tried fat loss diets before and have used a variety of weight loss cookbooks to try to lose body fat, then you very likely know by now that those fat loss diets and the healthy cookbooks that go with them don't work. What is it about them that makes successful weight loss so difficult to achieve? Well, for starters, most healthy cookbooks are not designed with high metabolic thermocharge ingredients. They are not using the metabolic powers that certain foods have to make your body burn more body fat. Instead, they use ingredients with very low thermogenic effect. Why does this matter? Because the metabolic thermocharge of food stands for how many calories your body will burn just by breaking down the nutrients each time you consume a certain food. Most people have absolutely no idea of the power some of these foods have over the fat-burning processes that go on inside the body, and so they never really think twice about them. Big mistake. For example, simply consuming high-quality protein with most meals will naturally burn off more calories and move you closer to your target weight. Lean protein has a very high metabolic thermocharge. Spices also have a strong thermogenic effect on your body. Combining certain foods together, such as chicken and turmeric, will help you burn more fat after you eat it. Interesting, right? But that's not all. Another thing to consider is whether or not your so-called healthy cookbook has a real structure. Too often, cookbooks are just a bunch of recipes thrown together at random. You pick and choose what you feel like eating at that point in the day. That is not going to make you burn fat faster. Having a structure is mandatory if you want to rid yourself of stubborn fat. That's why we developed a quick and easy Metabolic Nutri-Profile system for all our recipes, so you can see precisely what nutrients you're taking in, which ensures that each meal makes the most of your metabolic rate. Don't make the mistake of venturing into the food jungle without your compass. So we've talked about the food and the structure of your eating plan. Sounds like we've got it covered, right? No. Ever followed a diet to a T, and all of a sudden noticed that you stopped losing fat? This is called the metabolic adaptation phenomenon. It occurs at that point in your diet when your body knows precisely what it's getting in terms of food and has fully adapted to it. When it reaches this state, your metabolism slows down and fat loss screeches to a halt. In order to avoid the metabolic adaptation phenomenon, you have to vary your nutrient intake regularly, shocking your body as time goes on. This keeps it guessing and ensures your metabolism stays on high at all times. Having a wide range of fat loss recipes at your fingertips makes avoiding this frustrating condition a breeze. Now you know the real score when it comes to fat loss and dieting. Be sure to watch out for these 3 sneaky saboteurs next time you make the decision to lose fat. I told you this was great info, right? Dave and Kareen know everything it takes to be successful when it comes to burning fat faster. And in metabolic cooking, they provide you with a huge collection of awesome fat-torching recipes that will 1. Help you burn fat faster with the help of specific metabolic thermo-charged ingredients. 2. Efficiently structure your meal plan with their simple and effective Metabolic Nutri-Profile. 3. Fight the metabolic adaptation phenomenon. If you struggle with food or nutrition, metabolic cooking is your knight in shining armor. Ensure your meals are optimized for fat loss.